there, it's Hannah with WTI.
If you're looking for that perfect touch of boho charm, then you are going to love this two-tiered arched shelf from LUDORU. It is so beautiful with its rattan style, and it's handcrafted from natural pine and rattan that brings a earthy artesian feel to any room. The arch design and caned back panel add visual interest, and it's more than just storage. It is a statement piece. It is so perfect and it supports up to 25 pounds, which is ideal for lightweight decor. It comes with everything you need from mounting screws, hardware, and even that little level. That way, you know you've put it up perfectly. I think it is the perfect little quaint accent piece to add all of my favorite little rocks and other things.
This is the perfect little boho shelf for all your favorite little collectibles and tiny trinkets. I love it, and that's my point of view.